Today I will show you how to protect cells with formulas and other cells we can modify. So how can we do it? Let's start with the information that all cells, when I'm looking at the protection tab, are on the default locked. So it means that we will not have the option to change the values information in the cells, but this locked options will only turn on when we press protect sheet command. We will have here also hidden checkbox, but we will talk about it in a minute. So first of all, let's start. We don't have to select all cells, just on the review tab press protect sheet, and for now we won't put here any password and we will work with default option. So just press OK, and now I cannot change any cells, even with formula or just simple value, numbers, text, but I can see formulas or values that are in the cells. So I can change those options, but only when I turn off protection. So I have to press unprotect sheet command, then I can select all cells, Ctrl 1 and also checkbox hidden, and press OK. And now when I press protect sheet, I cannot change the value, or I cannot change formulas in the cell. So now I want to protect only cells with formula. How can we do it? First of all, we have to unprotect our sheet. Then we have to select all cells. So here, clicking between 1 and A, we select all cells. Then Ctrl 1, we will turn off all these checkboxes. Okay, and now we'll have to select cells with formula. So Ctrl G, go to special, and we want to select formulas that returns any values, and press OK. Now I have selected cells with formula, so Ctrl 1 and just select locked checkbox. I want to see that in those cells are hidden values. So OK, now protect sheet, but this time with password. So I have to repeat, re-enter my password, and now my cells with formula are protected. So I can see here is a formula. So I cannot modify this cell, but I can change the cell that don't have formulas, and that was my purpose. And when we decide we don't want to protect this sheet again, we have to click unprotect sheet, and this time I have to write password, and now I can modify cells with formulas again.